Salam salam yahwat, kama wa'alaikum. I hope you are all doing well. This video is just say thank you to all the adults who attended our adult class this summer holiday and also the Key Stage 4 students. Well, I had an amazing time and I'm glad to hear that some of the adults from the adults class have told me recently that you are registered in college and basically you just said, okay, now I'm going back to college or going back to uni, whatever you wanted. So I'm very happy to hear that. And for the Key Stage 4, I know a lot of you feel like, I think now I know what is expected of me from the GCSE, and you somehow you feel a little bit ready. And that's exactly the whole purpose of the free class that we had. But I wanted to say to all the Key Stage 3 students, because I know some of the parents asked me for your year 9, year 8, and year 7 students, and I did say to you that not now, but at some point I would come back and let you know. So now is almost September. I know we ran out of time, but because I promised, I will run a short free class for the Key Stage 3. So if you have a child in year 7, year 8, or year 9, and you need help, just to get them, at least prepared for what is expected of them in a couple of years, I am more than happy to do that. So yeah, if you have a child in year 7, year 8, or year 9 to be in September, just WhatsApp me with your child's name and what year they are, and I'll get back to you, and hopefully we'll have an amazing short class with that age group as well. So it's an amazing summer holiday. I met a lot of people, a lot of Habesha parents, and a lot of students as well. So I look forward to meet the Key Stage 3 too. All right. If we have some people only, understand Tigrinya, I'm going to repeat it quickly because I know some people wanted me to repeat the Tigrinya in English, and now I started with English. Let me just quickly repeat it in Tigrinya. نزيوم سايد السمر بحلفكم مو ناي adult class ناي قرأت class. Thank you. We had an amazing time. قال خدتهم ناي adult class دنبوركم college كم تمانسكم نجيركم لهم. I'm very happy. Thank you guys. توم ناي Key Stage 4 توم هارخ عني زيادة نيجي GCSE حجز نتاكم قبلكم دخلنا فريقنا لنا وين تايكم دخلنا دل خبنا فريقنا لنا موني. We are more prepared. زبوركم قرأت كأني عم تبو كم أهان سومنا أشتو نأشتو لكم شعب عايش شامنا يتشعك في الدلو زي كدبركمني حجنو عامري لكم كنا تم عبيت رحي لكم زنبوركو زي أول نسومنا أشتو نشتي كلاس كقبر لهم مدبس لزلني عند حد أهم موعد ملوهم كوينهم ناي نتس عن اشتي ناي نزل متصدل عمتاسي كمين تقبر إذا حاشة كم زقبرهم زي تقبروا قرب مع ده سابيلكا كم ونا بتتمرتون كاب زحيلهم تنيحهم ده حراي لاستين كوين ويا دبلو بقوانو انت حاجة وصل زحايش نعون قرب على ملك نبلو منا. So guys, كم نفرالو هون دقهم عدميهم أبزا واتساب أبزا عندلاتكم نمبر واتساب قبروا لي ناي ولاتكم شمن كندك لهم دهونن أنا هاشو أحمل لسوكمي استرفا communicationاتنا بخالي ما قدهم قبرينا قلتفكم okay قلتفكم ملوسلي because جزء أورب خذ الناس لزلا قلتفنا من تانك نقبر. So guys, if you want to let me know that your child needs help from me, respond quickly. We'll have a short lesson, and then September is here. All the kids will be back to school. So that's it. All right. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye from me.